Hey, when you
All
come
right,
to school?
we have 3 zeros. We have a 0 at x equals 3, a 0 at x equals -2, and a 0 at x equals 1. So then our factors, if you have 3 here, what makes this piece equal to 0? 3 minus 3, so x minus 3 would make this 0. The opposite of -2 is +2.
Yeah.
So when x is -2 and you add 2, this piece would be 0. And
Yeah.
finally, x minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Notice it says standard form. So you have to multiply your two binomials to get x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus 6. Combine like terms. X squared minus x minus 6. Now, you need to multiply that by x minus 1. I'm going to move this x minus 1 because if you notice with numbers, 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2. So I can move this x minus 1 in front. It'll make my multiplying a little bit easier. I have x cubed minus x squared minus 6x minus x squared. Notice I'm lining up my x squareds together because I already know I have to combine them. It just makes it easier to find. Plus 1x plus 6. I combine to get x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 for my standard form. Your double check would be, take your factors when you wrote your equation just with your factors and plug it into your graphing calculator. And then take what you think your standard form is, hit that y equals button, y equals button. Now put your x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. You're saying that these two equations are exactly the same. So if you graph it, you expect to see only one polynomial. If you see two polynomials somewhere, somehow you made a mistake in your math, and you need to go back and re-multiply and see where that little mistake is. Because you're saying these are exactly the same, so you should only see one on top of the other, one graph.